Find the length of the projection of the line joining the segment joining the points this and this on the line whose direction ratio are 6 to 3. मतलब है हमें लेंथ ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है जिसमें हमें दो पॉइंट्स दिया हुआ है और जो है उस लाइन का जो है वहां पे डायरेक्शन दिया हुआ है। तो सॉल्यूशन हम बच्चों उसको डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। यदि दो लाइन का रेशियो का में से एक पता जैसे एल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है और L1 मेरा L1 M1 N1 ये मेरा गिवन है। L by L1 6 है मेरा, M by M1 2 है मेरा, N by N1 3 है मेरा। ये यदि फाइंड आउट करना है फॉर्मूला होता है L स्क्वायर प्लस M स्क्वायर प्लस N स्क्वायर अंडर रूट this square M1 square plus M2 square plus M2 square। यहाँ देगा 6 square 36 2 square प्लस 3 square। ठीक है बच्चों, अब जो है यहाँ पे इसी का अंडर रूट दिस L square plus M square plus N square by 6 square plus 2 square plus 3 square। अब इसी को हम सोल्व कर लेंगे बच्चों। This implies L by 6 1 by 2 and N by 3 is equal to L square plus M square plus N square. We know that always 1. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. You know that L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So the under root 1 by 6 square 36 plus 4 40 plus 9 49. It is 1 by 7. So the L, M, and find out L 6 comes to 6 by 7 and M 2 by 7 and M 3 by 7. That is the find out L, M, and the ratio of the line is L, M, and 6 by 7, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. So the length of the projection, so the length of the given projection is equal to L x2 minus x1 plus M y2 minus y1 plus M z2 minus z1. Here is x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 and z2. It is the modulus field because the length is always positive. Ratio of length is always positive. So get it L and the 6 by 7 and x2 minus x1. This means 2 minus minus, this should be second, 2 minus 1 minus into minus 1 plus 1 plus M 2 by 7 and the 5 minus 0 and 0 plus N 3 by 7 1 minus 3 and forget the modulus value of 6 by 7 into 3. It means 2 5 10 by 7. This is the sum. Minus 2 3 the 6 by 7. And solve it. This is the length of 22 by 7. And the second, 18 plus 10, 28, minus 6 by 7. The multiple will be 2 by 7. Like that. Fine.